Today's guest went from coding to curry, real estate to Rajma Chawal. He has proved that from home cooked food you can build empires. Welcome everyone for the yet another episode on stories that resonate. I, Kautuk Singh Chima from OUC Department Chitkara University, welcome you all. And sir, thanks for coming and pleasure.
Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you very much, sir. Pleasure is all ours.
Sitting here.
Thank you very much for sparing time, sir. And before we know the mixture of tiffin and tech, I would love to know about who Harkanwar Singh is. What is his childhood like? What is his liking and dislikings?
Basically, I belong to Patiala and we shifted long back to Chandigarh, Mohali since my father was into a government job. And then I studied here in St. Xavier's.
Oh, lovely.
Then Kendra Vidyalaya. Then my journey started as a journalist building foundations, studying at ST College.
Oh.
Okay, then I also worked with NDTV, RT. Then while working, हम बस आगे चलते गए थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ करते गए. Then I started my own brand called Peep India, which was a weekly journal which used to be published in Patiala, but it used to be distributed in parts of West Bengal, Mumbai, Punjab, Chandigarh. So it was a great hit. Now eventually we are converting it into a multilingual online platform where people can post stories in any language. Initially, we'll start it in India and we'll see the response, then we'll take it ahead. And while doing this journey, we thought of doing something very different. So while working into various fields, I've done corporate hiring and then I've been into e-commerce. Then after COVID, I went into food. Basically, I ran a chain of cafes. One of our cafe was in Portugal, Europe. So that was a big thing for us.
So what would you call yourself? A jack of all trades or master of one or master of all trades?
Now we want to be a master of one. Earlier I was a jack of all trades.
That's
so
lovely to hear that.
Eventually ye karte we thought of doing something different for the society which can be a mixture of business and social work. So we came up with this idea called Home Crafted. In July 2024 we launched it as a platform and we gave a lot of orders to multiple corporates, educational institutions. Some big names of the city are our clients. And then we got 99% repeat rate. Then we started working on the tech. It got a bit delayed because of there's a lot of team issues and a lot of other stuff. But finally we are going live this month.
But sir, 99% is something, and it's a big thing.
That 1% was also, which didn't come up, was also the, can say, a wrong decision or mistake of one of our vendors, which we had to pay back. So it's always challenges are there and you learn with every new thing, every day.
Glad to know that.
Yes.
Right. So, sir, would love to know about your brand, which is Home Crafted. And how, did it come to your mind? What was that aha or special moment
Basically, there's a brand called Indian Cart Story. We started running, as I told you, we had one small cart in Portugal. Then we ran at different universities. So while working, we thought this is only the traditional thing going on and giving just a theme is not enough. So we did more research. We saw, we saw a lot of stories, movies. Then we thought we should do something for home entrepreneurs. So this brand does not only promote homemade food, it promotes home entrepreneurs, home artists, rural entrepreneurs. So we have different categories here. Like one is if you want to eat you can say karela, beans or anything, any traditional veggies, it is there. And if you want to go for millets, gluten-free or any other stuff like that, so it is also visible under
one
platform.
I believe that's the demand of the people
because
right now.
If you see, I'm not saying wrong to anything, but if you see, there is a lot of problem coming up eating outside food on everyday basis. So there are a lot of people who live outside from their homes. For example, if somebody is working in Chandigarh and he belongs to some other city or Punjab or any other place, he needs homemade food, good quality food within a limited budget. So we have created a platform where we start giving something below 100 also, and
Okay.
above it goes up to 2,000 for premium dishes.
Okay.
Okay, so you can eat anything which is homemade, and you'll get a variety. I don't think which is available on any other platform at the moment.
Right.
I believe a lot of other big giants are doing really good, but we are trying to create our own league
Yeah,
only.
and that's you are kind of promoting healthy lifestyle.
Yeah, right. And
Yeah.
then we have a category which focuses on like if it's Rajasthani food, then you have Himachali based food. We have a chef who only makes Himachali food only on Sundays because he works otherwise full time. So there are a lot of people, a lot of stories involved in between. Recently, one of our home chefs just gave a kind of a blessing to us that he was planning to move from the city because of some financial issues.
Okay.
But we started supporting her, giving offline orders, and before the launch of our app only.
Okay.
So it's not only about building a business or giving financial income. It's about giving independence to a lot of women and
Exactly.
home entrepreneurs.
Exactly.
And yeah, so that's the only need we feel.
Yeah.
And then there is another category which promotes homemade handicrafts. Like if somebody is doing painting, they don't get a good platform to market it. We are supporting them. And otherwise also we are giving, personal support in terms of if somebody doesn't know how to make up a costing for a food. Initially we are offering free services for that. We are giving
Okay.
them menu support and a lot of other stuff. Plus we are already promoting the food.
Okay.
So they get a lot of good
Right.
response there.
Right.
Yeah.
And there's some training regarding the making recipes as well.
Yeah,
or-
we have some good consultant chefs on board
Okay.
who keep on communicating with them over calls. Or we recently did an event in Rotary Building Sector at 18 Chandigarh,
Okay.
where he introduced about a lot of things like how to make curries, how to, have time management, what not to be used in the recipe, which can affect somebody's gut, and what can be used. So time to time we keep on doing this, and plus we are launching a training institute as well along with this,
Okay.
specifically for homemade food and then this handicraft thing as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
We would love to know more about that. But before that, because as you share, you were jack of all trades once upon a time,
Yeah.
and you've switched a lot of industries.
Yeah.
And if I mean a lot, that means a lot.
Yeah.
Right. So what is one mindset which kept you going and got you so far?
See, there are a lot of challenges. You will meet good people, you will meet bad people. You also fail at various stages. You also grow at various stages. Touch wood, I've seen a lot of highs in life and maybe lows in life as well. So, but if you believe that you can achieve something, you have confidence on yourself, you can surely, keep on going on. Yeah.
True.
So that's the only thing. You have to be consistent despite of whatever the circumstances.
Right.
There are situations when you feel like just leave it. You don't have to do anything. If somebody said something wrong to you or you felt that you were not able to achieve something. But at the end, I realized that if you don't show consistency or patience, you cannot achieve anything. Time does change. I've seen in my life cycle only. If good time is there, bad time may come in between, but you can consistently keep good time. It's just that how you hold your reputation, how you hold your confidence, and how you basically take things.
Yeah.
A lot, I
In
see.
Punjabi, we call it chaddi kala, I believe.
हाँ जी, चढ़ती कला जी रहना चाहिए।
That's true. So being in high spirits and high spirits always is the motto. Thank you very much for that.
Right.
And I would also love to know, like, with your past experiences working with cafes, real estate, how did it prepare you for home
See,
crafted?
real estate is family business, so it's
Okay.
we are into building construction. We built a lot of townships in and around Tri-City and Himachal. Now we are coming up with again in Himachal.
Okay.
So we're just waiting for the rains to get over. We
Okay.
launched our project.
Where in
It's
Himachal?
near Shimla.
Okay.
Shogi. There's a place called Shogi.
Right.
So it's a beautiful project. It's inside a jungle, you can say. So I've learned a lot since childhood, because this business started in long back in 2005 when I was only 15 years old.
Okay.
So I've been seeing my family, my elder brother, my father is a retired banker, so he was partly, looking after that as well.
Okay.
So I've seen a lot of stories behind it, a lot of challenges, and now I'm also being a part of that. I've been promoting that business lately. So it has prepared me that, as I said earlier, there are a lot of challenges, whether you're working for somebody or you're working for yourself. Challenges will come.
True.
But consistency, faith on God, and have confidence on yourself, you'll achieve anything. And then there is no end.
So, home crafted for you has been more than food, and it's basically, I believe, a community-driven program or a business.
When we launched this platform, we had introduced that we'll be keeping monthly meetings for the home chefs or home entrepreneurs, which means which is a part of a community. They can introduce new ideas. We can support them further in many ways. So it's not only about delivering food, not only about building business. It's empowering home entrepreneurs. So it's a community. We have also tied up with United Nations. I happen to be a Secretary General for Youth Wing, Chandigarh United Nation Association.
Right.
So
CUNA, right?
Yeah, CUNA.
Right.
It's called CUNA. So we will be doing a lot of social events with them. Like I had mentioned about in my profile that we are introducing rehabilitation of street children. So it's basically when you see a lot of small children begging on roads and all. So it's a very controversial topic, because those children does not belong to the couple standing with them. Maybe you don't know, somebody has been kidnapped. Long back in 2015-16, I had prepared a small, you can say, documentary type of scenario. I had approached Child Commission also. I wanted to start that. I had involved Punjab Police as well. But due to my professional circumstances, I couldn't proceed much with that. Now we have finally planned, and we have tied up with United Nations to make this further. So we will try to rehabilitate with them with education, or we will try to connect with them, the families where they belong to. It's a long process. It's a very, you can say, hefty process as well. Because a lot of powers are involved, or a lot of people would defame us as well.
Right.
But we are trying to do that.
But somebody has to stand. And
as you see, हर जगह ही आपको दिखते हैं ऐसे लोग, और you feel bad, you cannot do. If you give money to them, then also you feel bad. If you don't give, then also you feel bad.
Right.
So it's better to help them out.
So from this candid conversation, I got to know that Harkamar's one personality trait is kindness. But at the same time, I would love if you pursue and wheel together also. I'll get, apart from this discussion, we'll surely meet and think of it, because yes, whenever you see these people, you feel a bit of pain, and then. But sometimes you feel so helpless that,
And sometimes you also see a lot of food, craving for, good food, genuinely on roadside. Maybe there's labor class, or because they get very meager salaries and they are not able to afford their family. So we will identify those kind of people. On the Punjabi, if you say that langar sadi khoon chi hai, वो ਅਸੀਂ भी करेंगे. Plus 4, there are more social projects involved in between. So UN is a very big organization. We got a support for that. Plus we will involve more local people, plus communities, or we will try to approach the government as well, wherever help is possible.
And you also do various campaigns, and you also talk about the rural India.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know, like, how is people, and especially the young youth, focusing and missing out sometimes on this target audience? See,
recently I gave my TEDx talk, right? So I had mentioned about rural innovation.
Right.
So a lot of people introduced, somebody made a, we say matka is there. So it's a mitti cool refrigerator.
Okay.
So there are a lot of innovations without tech also. So you have to visit rural areas, you have to see what people can do. It's just that nobody is, if somebody comes ahead, like if I have started an initiative, I come ahead and I introduce myself that I have this idea. There's a lot of people in rural areas who may be working on a very innovative thing, especially in agriculture sector, especially in
Right.
other sectors,
Right.
but they don't get a chance to highlight that or introduce it to the correct market. So I believe there is a lot of potential in rural innovation. I give an example. We are going to introduce Punjab Fulkari hundi hai sade,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So that is mostly made in rural areas.
Right.
Eventually, I have seen places near Patiala and all. So seeing that they introduced Fulkari ke bags and purses, then there are a lot of other stuffs apart from bed sheets and a lot of other things are going on. So, but उनको market करना पड़ता है through shopkeepers or distributors, so they get a very little bit margin in that. So we are trying that people from rural areas should come up and introduce. In the near future, we'll also try to set up something for them, that something, you know, like some innovation center or anything. So there is a lot of potential. Pan India, even I see globally,
Right.
it can grow up.
And when you talk about global, if we talk about the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals,
Yeah.
and your global, work ethics and values, which you are, trying to get into your ventures. So, what is that about? How are you planning and collaborating it in such a
See,
way?
I give an example. I keep on traveling to different cities and countries, so I see a lot of stuff going on. So, if you talk about India, there's a lot of potential about Indian food or any other Indian stuff. So, our main motive was to introduce this in India and take it globally. We are already in collaboration and partnership in the process of launching this home crafted in Dubai and Canada and parts of some other cities in next few months and next few years.
Right.
So I believe until and unless you take your goal or motive globally, you don't get the correct recognition. Though India is a very big market, approximately you can say 122 crores of population or maybe more recently, I don't know the correct data. But that people would cherish you inside the states, inside the country. But if you take it globally, it will give you bigger recognition to your team, the people you're working with. For example, if I have a chef from Chandigarh or Mohali, so उनका वीडियो अगर कोई बैठा यूएस में देख रहा है और कहीं और देख रहा है, तो obviously it's a pride moment for them. So I believe I should not only build myself, I should build people along with me and take the things to a level where everybody gets a correct recognition and correct scenario. Yeah.
And like you are scaling big, and when I'm talking about big, you're going to Bangalore, Dubai, Toronto.
Yeah.
So what does scaling with soul mean to you?
Scaling, basically, it involves a lot of challenges. See, if I'm sitting here, people may be thinking that, maybe a lot of people want that I want to achieve this level certain, but there are a lot of challenges involved at the back end, and there are a lot of things. So if you have to scale, the more you scale, the more stressful things go, the more problematic things go, until you have an auto mode system in life. Once you make a proper team, proper channels, proper system, you cannot manage. अब मैं introduce कर दूँ जी, मैं कल को दुबई में launch कर रहा हूँ. जब तक मेरे पास proper team नहीं होगी, channel नहीं होगा, because it's not only my work, it is a whole team process, and everybody should get the correct recognition and correct system to make it happen. And अगर team नहीं perform करेगी, we would fail on that stage.
Right.
So I've recently seen in my office as well, we have a very young and passionate team of young, college pass outs. Then some technical team is obviously required in different fields.
Right.
So, but everybody tries to give their best. So we are humans. We do commit mistakes. Even I do a lot of mistakes. जो kindness के बात कर रहे थे, kindness makes you, give more to the people, and then in the end you are stuck in some situation.
You receive less.
Yeah, right. This is the thing. So scaling to be seen, like अगर इसको announce करें, so it seems very big. But to reach that level, there are a lot of difficulties, but consistency brings it on a easy level at one stage.
Right. And also, as we were talking about the campaigns, you are a part of many campaigns going around, especially in Punjab as well. When we talk about drug-free Punjab as a campaign, how, because you then meet with the scenario, right? You get to know the real crux of it, the real pain of the place. So how did it, shape you as an entrepreneur also? And what do you think, what changes should become? And also I would love to know, is the situation really bad, or is it sometimes the news channels?
See, long back, I think 20, 25 years back, when I was very small, my father started an organization called International Drug Eradication Alliance.
Okay.
So, a lot of big people like Sunil Dutt ji, the Sanjay Dutt ji's father
Yes.
was a part of it, Raj Babbar ji was a part of it.
Okay.
So, since then, I'm seeing there are a lot of people who, I'll use some words in Punjabi, like, ਕਿ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਮੰਨਦਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਸੈਟ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਯਾਰ ਇਹਨੇ ਕਹਿਤਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਆਈਲ make it a point that I don't follow, I'll face a problem, I'll face a lot of restlessness and lot of stuff. But there are people ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੁਣ recently I came to a situation in one of my relatives' place. A 12-year-old guy in Patiala tried to stole a scooter. ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਖੜਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਚਾਬੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਟਰਾਈ ਟੂ ਬਟ ਸਮਬਡੀ ਸੌ ਐਂਡ ਰੌਲਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਦੈਨ ਇਵੈਂਚੁਅਲੀ ਦ ਕੇਸ ਵਾਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ 2 ਇੰਜੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸੀਗੇ ਸੋ ਹੀ ਗੋਟ ਇਨਵੋਲਵਡ ਹੁਣ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਵਰਸ ਆਲਸੋ ਐਂਡ ਨਾਟ ਵਰਸ ਆਲਸੋ ਪਾਰਟ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਸਟੇਟ ਆਫ ਦ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਇਨਵੋਲਵਡ ਐਂਡ ਬਟ the thing is mindset has gone so weak that ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਲਾਈ ਲੱਗ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲੱਗ ਕੇ you get into bad habits and if I frankly I'm not saying alcohol is bad for everybody, occasionally it may be fine but if I don't drink so a lot of friends in my college days try to force me that you have it and then but
it's a cool thing for youngsters
so but it's all your mindset. I didn't opt for it,
right?
So it's all about your mindset and all about your how strong you are. So there are a lot of situations, there are a lot of nasha mukti kender so called that they may be giving drugs inside also but there's a situation कि तुसी एकदम से भी आप ड्रग छुड़वा नहीं सकते किसी का, आपको धीरे धीरे करना पड़ता है वो सारा. I've been involved in sort of I know a few people जो पूरा चेन ऑफ ये ड्रग फ्री ड्रग रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स चलाते थे तो उनमें मैंने देखा है कुछ जेन्युइन भी हैं कुछ जेन्युइन नहीं भी हैं जो सिर्फ पैसा के कारण करते हैं. सो इट्स अ सिचुएशन इज मिक्स्ड. इट्स जस्ट दैट द गवर्नमेंट एंड द पीपल इफ वी थिंक वी विल टेक एन इनिशिएटिव इफ वी डोंट गेट गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट then there is no use to curb it.
But really kudos to you that such a campaign has been initiated by your father and I believe people do collaborate with you in many ways so that this problem is a problem but I would also like to share that it is something which is elaborated also in some or the other ways.
Obviously.
Because this problem is not only Punjab's, it is all over the world, I believe.
It's all over the world. If you see Mexico, if you see US, even in Canada, Australia, anywhere.
True.
I've seen drug addicts and it's just that some people have a mindset. I don't want to get into controversies, but there's a movie called Udta Punjab. So they just showed a bad state of mind among the people. So that's not right. You should. Punjab is a very bright state and it is ਆਪਣੇ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਹੈ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਟ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਉਹ ਗਲਤ ਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਜਸਟ ਫॉर ਦੀ ਸੇਕ ਆਫ ਫੇਮ ਐਂਡ ਮਨੀ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਦੈਟ ਸ਼ੁਡ ਨਾਟ ਬੀ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਟਡ.
And coming back to your home crafted, I would also love to know that you bring regional meals to modern audiences. So how do you maintain that authenticity?
See, we have a very unique quality check team in Delhi NCR and Chandigarh. So firstly we follow a process. We meet the home chefs, our team meet the home chefs and guide them that if something is wrong with the quality or hygiene and all. So plus we before even we keep on doing a trial run before coming exactly live to the market because currently we are only focusing on limited clients ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਨ. So The thing is कि we make sure we keep on tasting the foods occasionally. Like एक हफ्ते में हमने किसी शेफ से मंगा लिया, फिर किसी से मंगा लिया, तो उसमें क्या क्या फीडबैक है, क्या क्या कमियां हैं, we try to cover up that.
Right.
बाकी it all depends. So recently, I don't want to name the client. There's a client. They wanted food for children. So their taste was different. Our taste was, our chef was making in a different taste. So there was a lot of gaps, challenges in between. They say that quantity is not enough, or you can say quality is not up to the mark, and some people want to spend very less money out of it.
Right.
So it is a balance of everything. So you have to understand the audience as well. You have to understand the chef's point of view. We cannot give blame games कि chef ने गलत कर दिया या audience गलत कह रहा है. So it's not, the process is not easy. I've seen in the last few months, it took me months to come to this stage, solving each and every problem. So it's all about problem solving.
Right.
So we will try to maintain authenticity.
Right.
Now we'll be coming up with a very big launch event very soon.
Okay.
In Tri-City initially.
Lovely.
So we'll surely invite you there.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. Would be glad to be there.
Yeah.
And has there been, so you've, have so many experiences with your team and the clients.
Yeah.
So has there been any story from the chef or the customer which has touched you?
See,
Some unique story maybe. Just out of curiosity.
Somebody, she was like, as I told you, somebody texted us about that she was going to leave the place, but we supported her in giving orders and everything. We supported some of the chefs financially initially by giving them advances just to push them, because they were in a state that they were not having jobs, they have family problems, there's a lot of stuff. But otherwise, I've seen people, even we keep on doing even events, and like we recently did an event in NFCI. It's a chain of hotel management institutes. Then we did a event in Vidya Jyoti University. It is also hotel management.
Right.
So a lot of young students are also interested, and we try to solve their problem. Somebody told us that they don't have a kitchen to start, but they are very passionate about food. So we didn't let them lose the hope. So we tried to arrange a separate thing for them with some collaborative arrangement with somebody.
Right.
So obviously, and the people come up. I cannot say कि जो आपने पूछा था कि story कोई ऐसे specific नहीं है. It's a mixture of that.
Okay.
But people come up with ideas like that. ये हमारा भी idea था एक time पे कि मैगी के different sort of cheese मैगी, chicken मैगी, पनीर मैगी ऐसे introduce करना है.
Right.
Because long back in Chandigarh University, I started in before COVID.
Okay.
With somebody who started a small cart that's related to multiple variety of fries. Like we had chicken makhani fries, paneer makhani fries, pizza fries.
Right.
So there are a lot of unique ideas which can be made in a healthy way, and it can be a mixture of food, not junk food, but street food, you can say.
So, sir, for someone who's wanting to start a culture-driven or a community-driven business, what advice would you give?
I would tell them do proper research initially, take advices from mentors, don't hesitate to ask people from your circle or who are, there are a lot of people who would demotivate you, there are a lot of people who would initially support you. Punjabi ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਦ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਿ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਤੂੰ ਕਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ
ਰਾਈਟ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ do a proper research. ਬਾਕੀ ਪੂਰੀ research ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਤਾਂ with time you get to learn a lot of new things. We are still learning. We have still challenges coming up.
Right.
So I would tell them just focus on that dedication. Even there are situations when you're financially supporting yourself or your family doing a job and you have a passion to start something. बहुत difficult है but you will manage if you start working on your idea maybe 1 hour a day or 2 hours a day. Eventually you'll reach a stage. Plus if anybody is open we can also support them in different ways.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
So this is the only thing, consistency
right.
and grit and dedication
right.
and hard work.
True.
And बाकी जब रब ने करना है तो कर ही देना है.
रब दी मेहर. Right. Got it. And In the course of all the questions I've been asking, there's one question which is quite personal. Why food? Are you a foodie? That's why, or because I am one, so I wanted
से
to
देख के
ask.
लगता ही होना I'm a foodie. So,
Right.
so food is something. If you talk about Punjab या world over,
Right.
food is something which is a necessity
Right.
and people enjoy it. आज किसी का मूड खराब हो,
Right.
है तो वो कहता है यार मैं ना चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम खा लूँ.
Right.
या इससे याद आया वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होममेड आइसक्रीम्स आल्सो जो हम अपने घर में बचपन में खाते थे.
Right.
या क्या वो भी हमारे एक शेफ हैं वो बनाते हैं बहुत
Oh,
कुछ.
lovely.
Then somebody has come up with the ram laddus.
Okay.
Then अपने बेसन दी पिन्नियाँ and
Right.
lot of other stuff.
Right.
And so food is something you'll enjoy it. आपका मूड खराब हुआ मैं कहता हूँ किसी का ना अभी किसी का if somebody is involved with somebody like अगर किसी की गर्लफ्रेंड ने उसे ब्लॉक कर दिया ठीक है तो वो अगर वो खाना खा ले अपने मनपसंद का वो कुछ देर के लिए तो अच्छा फील करेगा.
Right. So it is said that some words tend to go to your brain, food goes to your soul.
Right,
So
right.
yeah.
That's true. I have tested on myself also. If
Right.
I am in a stressful zone or
Yeah.
I eat something good,
Right.
maybe it's affecting my health at the
Right.
moment, but you feel bit better in
Right.
that situation. So food is always good, and we are trying to introduce a variety
Right.
that in a healthy way,
Right.
which should give happiness to people.
Right. Right.
ये भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप वो खाना खा लो इवेंचुअली कल को वो आपकी बॉडी को इफेक्ट कर रहा है एंड वो सारी चीज़ें वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग इन एज हेल्थियर एज पॉसिबल.
Right. So, sir, thank you so much for coming today,
Thank
and it
you
has
so
been
much.
a
You
lovely,
invited us.
lovely
Yeah.
conversation. And now, because we've talked so much about food, after this interview, we'll surely have some
Yeah, sure.
some
Thank
tasty
you.
things. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
It's been
you
a
so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you.